In the Chemicals Analysis module, iPathwayGuide predicts which chemicals, drugs, and toxicants might be playing a role in your experiment. iPathwayGuide predicts the presence or absence of each chemical based on the number of differentially expressed target genes whose fold change is consistent with the chemical's hypothesized activity, abundant or insufficient, and the sign of the interaction between the chemical and target gene, activating or inhibiting. In the Upstream Chemicals summary, the default view is a horizontal bar plot showing the count of consistent differentially expressed genes for each upstream chemical that is predicted as present. Notice that the selected chemical is highlighted in yellow. You may view the upstream chemicals predicted as absent by changing the regulator type selection below the bar chart. The upstream chemicals are ranked in order of p-value from most significant to least significant. You may search the table of results by chemical name or synonym, as well as by target genes in the additional box above the table. Searching by BRCA1 here will filter the table to only chemicals that target that gene. You can also check a box to show only drugs without other chemicals and toxicants. There are two additional graphical views of results: a two-way plot of chemicals by p-value, and a dendrogram highlighting which significant chemicals have differentially expressed target genes in common. Correction factors are available, and update all plots accordingly. In the dendrogram view, the colors of the nodes correspond to p-values, with fuchsia being more significant chemicals and cyan being less significant. The chemicals are grouped together by the number of differentially expressed target genes they have in common. To zoom into a group of nodes, press the Alt key and click on their common parent node. Zoom out using the buttons in the upper left corner. In the p-values view, each chemical is plotted on two axes according to the negative log of two different p-values. On the horizontal axis, the p-values are based on the z-score calculated by comparing the number of consistent edges going to differentially expressed target genes to the total number of edges going to differentially expressed target genes. On the vertical axis, the p-values represent overrepresentation of the number of consistent differentially expressed targets for each chemical with respect to the total number of measured target genes expected to be consistent just by chance. The counts of consistent differentially expressed target genes, all differentially expressed target genes, and all measured targets differentially expressed or otherwise are displayed in the table below. The size of each bubble reflects the total number of consistent differentially expressed targets for each chemical.